That's going to be a great outtake.
Ham harder, Vince.
I am sitting here with the very famous K8MRD ham radio tube, Mike Dahlhofer. Say hello, Mike.
Hi, my name is Mike Dahlhofer.
Dahlhofer, okay.
K8MRD.
Eventually I get it right. And
That's right, nobody says it right.
We are here to debate, is it ham harder or ham smarter? We are interested in your comments down below.
But the backstory is, many years ago, when I was living in Michigan, I was using, I believe it was an MFJ off-center fed 40-meter dipole, so 40, I think it was resonant like 40, 20, 10, and 6. That was my antenna. And Josh and I, for the layperson, Josh has a small YouTube channel called Ham Radio Crash Course.
Yeah, he's
highly recommend checking it out. He's the next up-and-coming YouTube channel for ham radio.
He is.
So he and I think we were on the Discord. We have a little YouTubers kind of like private Discord thing that all of us chat in. And we're trying to work each other because this might have been, I don't know what antenna he was using. I don't think he had his Yagi yet, or his Step IR. So I don't know what he was using. We're trying to work each other. I don't know if it was FT8 or sideband or what. But I wasn't hearing him. So I said in the Discord chat that we have, I'm like, dude, I'm not hearing you. You got to ham harder. And that's how the phrase was coined. And you know, it's you know, the meaning behind it is you got to try harder. You know, when you get guys like this that are spinning around ham smarter, that totally defeats the meaning of it. We got to put in the hard work. Some work getting results sometimes is hard. You can still be doing it smart, but it can still be hard. And if you're just half-assing it,
you should use both cheeks.
You're not hamming hard enough.
You should use both cheeks. You should whole ass it all the way.
Yep. So that's where the term ham harder came from, and then it was RIA, and is it N2RJ?
N2RJ. Yep.
I believe it was on the Twitters back when the Twitter was called Twitter and not X. She spun it around and said, I prefer something to the effect, I'm paraphrasing, I'd rather ham smarter.
Yeah.
Which I took great personal offense to. And then Vince was like, hey, that's creative, let me roll with that. And then this guy calls his channel Ham Smarter. It's just like a direct smack in the face to K8MRD.
And it's right
and he's Canadian. Like, how disrespectful.
It's right on your water bottle, too.
It is.
Yeah.
Well, I got suckered because he's so nice. So ham harder. So my arch nemesis, interesting story. Both of my arch nemesis now, because Vince is getting into that camp now. Jason, KM4ACK, made this sticker, which we all know ACK is definitely my arch nemesis. But it says ham harder. So, like, everybody's ripping off my phrase there, ham harder. And then Vince, ham smarter, he can't even decide which call sign he wants. He's like, am I Canadian? Am I American? I don't know. Sorry. What's this all about?
Get back in the hoose.
So I just put his sticker on my water bottle today, and I was going to put it on the bottom, but I'm like,
yeah, that would be disrespectful.
The bottom's too important. That holds up the water bottle, and I don't want to have any fodder down there, so that's ham harder.
That's ham harder.
Yep.
Right
what
on.
say you?
I say ham smarter. That's what I say. And I say ham smarter because we want to be deliberate in our attempts. We want to plan them out. We want to try different things. And as he very famously just recently said, we want to try all the things to make mistakes to keep learning. And that's why I say ham smarter.
Sounds like an over-engineering mindset to me.
Thank you. I represent that.
Just get out there and try it. Sit there. Let me write this out on paper. How many impedances is this going to get, or how many capacitances is this going to... Just put a frickin' wire up.
Put a frickin' wire. Just put a frickin' wire
harder, man.
And make it happen is exactly right. Thanks for
watching.
Put
in the hard work.
Put your comments down below. Is it ham harder or ham smarter?
It's ham harder. It's definitely. I mean, if you comment ham smarter,
I'm trying to end the video.
You're just wrong.
Now. He's keeping going.
You're just
See you
wrong.
later, folks.
Wait till I get going.